today is we are going to get the bike washed. So Simon's got some instructions on his headphones to say where the car wash is, the nearest one. Then we're going to go to Oludeniz beach. Happy days, just tootling around today. Look at the colours of these beautiful trees here. Look at that. Bougainvillea. I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah. I really have. No backpack on my back. No, it just feels like we're missing something today.
It's a good alarm there.
Well, Fonzie's getting the wash he deserves after all the hard work on the road getting to Turkey. We are thorough clean today. So in front of us there is Babadag Mountain. This is where people paraglide from, and also now there's a cable car up to the top and some restaurants. Where we are now is Overche, and that leads into Hisarönü, and then you go down the hill to Oludeniz. We're in Hisarönü now, and these guys in the no-name shop, one of them, he just wanted to have a go on the bike desperately. It's so funny. So we've made it down to Belchika's beach in Oludeniz. As you can see, the paragliders are coming in. When you go down to this beach, you soon get used to looking above you and staying clear of the landings, because they happen quite frequently. We just love it. The vibe is so cool here. We're leaving Oludeniz behind us. We're on the Faralya road from Oludeniz to Kabak. This stretches along the coast in the municipality of Uzunyurt. It's locally called Faralya. This is a string of small villages ending in a little village called Kabak. Today we're not going that far, we're going about 15 to 18 kilometres along this road. Not as far as Kabak today. we're going to the Faralya Valley, just a little bit beyond that. It's also called Butterfly Valley. At certain parts of the year there is the opportunity to walk from the beach through the valley and see some butterflies in a waterfall. The beach you can see here is Kidrak Beach. It's also a bit of a nature reserve. You pay a little fee to get in there, but it's a very beautiful place to relax. Recently it has become more popular, but yeah, it's still a nice place to go. Can't tell you how amazing this road is to ride. Even though we've been on this road many times on scooters that we've hired, we still don't get bored of this beautiful stretch of road. It's got the beautiful blue of the sea on the right and cliffs and gorgeous scenery on the left. When we are going along here, it just makes us feel so happy. It's lovely. The cameras don't really show how steep some of these roads are, so this is a steep incline and we're going up around some really tight bends at times. Just below us is Butterfly Valley. It's only accessible by boat. The steep cliffs from the road and village mean that it's always been perilous to reach from above. The path has been officially closed now, as there have been some tragic loss of life of people who have been taking this trail. The only way now to reach it is from boats at Oludeniz. They'll get you to the beach safely. There's a Jack team based in Oludeniz. They are for hikers or paragliders who get into difficulties in the area. They're a mountain rescue service. part of the road there are restaurants with spectacular views. The one that we're stopping at is a favourite of ours. We're at the Faralya Yoruk Suite Hotel, where we can have food and drink. It's really lovely, beautiful views here. Believe it or not, this is the day after we've arrived. You'd think we'd be fed up of the bike by now after 15 days on the road, but we just couldn't wait to get on the bike. We're on our way back to Fethiye now, just for the end of the day. So we'll show you some scenes from Fethiye. Look at the fish. Look at the turtles. Ooh. Okay.
You did it, boy.
That's alright, isn't it? Yeah. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and join us again for our next video where we take Fonzie to the mechanic, where, shall we say, some of the techniques make Simon wince.